How to share a project in Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to share a project in Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 into your browser, sign into your account, and then click on the apps button at the top left of your screen. So under the apps section, go ahead and open the project you want to share. And then once you're inside the project, go ahead and click on the share button, which you'll find at the top right of your screen at the left side of the publish button. So once you click on that, you'll be able to basically share your project with the provided link of Base44. You can also send invitations to those individuals to whom you want to share your project to. So simply click on the share button at the top right of your screen, and then in here you'll be able to find the share URL, which can be accessed by anyone. And you can also send an invitation to those specific individuals to whom you want to share this application to. And that is how you can basically share a project in Base44. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.